Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create custom theme for our Instagram chat with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and I'm going to show you how we can create custom theme for our Instagram chat. Okay, the first one, I'm just going to open up one of my personal chat on this Instagram direct messages. For example, I'm going to open up my room chat with this account. Okay, and then we can click on the account's name right here, and then we're going to click on theme. Okay, and if you want to create custom theme with AI, you can simply select create with AI, and here you can describe the theme that you want. For example, I'm going to ask the AI to decorate theme which related to magical forest, like this, and you can click on the send button and the AI will generate theme for you. You just need to be patient and waiting the result. Okay, and this is the result guys. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on the symbol and the AI will regenerate theme for you. But I'm just gonna use this one, so I'm going to click on next, and then we can click on create to apply the theme to our Instagram chat. Okay, as you can see guys, that the theme generated with the AI has been applied. And if you want to create custom theme for your Instagram group chat, you just need to open up your group chat, and then you can click on the group chat's name and go to the theme, and you can simply click on create with AI. That's so easy, right? Then here you just need to do the step I have told you before. You can describe the theme that you want for your Instagram group chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create custom theme for our Instagram chat with AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.